Finding clients is not about randomly searching for work. It is about positioning yourself as a specialist in AI automation and targeting the right opportunities. In this lecture, you will learn how to identify clients, where to find them, and how to approach them effectively. There is a strong market opportunity right now. Many businesses want to implement AI and automation, but most do not know how to do it. Even fewer can execute it properly. This creates a gap, and that gap is your opportunity. There are different types of clients you can target. Small businesses need help automating repetitive processes. Startups need rapid development and scalable solutions. Agencies look for partners who can deliver automation as a service. Enterprise clients require consulting and large-scale implementations. Each type requires a different approach. Small businesses can be reached through local networking or freelance platforms. Startups are often found on professional networks and communities. Agencies can be approached through partnerships or direct outreach. Enterprise clients usually come through referrals, events, and industry connections. Before reaching out, you must establish your presence. Your profile should clearly communicate your value. Position yourself as an AI automation specialist, not just a developer. Focus on outcomes, not technical skills. Highlight results such as time saved, cost reduced, or accuracy improved. The most effective strategy is to demonstrate value before selling. Create content that shows what you can do. Share examples of automation, case studies, and insights. This builds credibility and attracts clients organically. Content can take different forms. Short demonstrations show your capabilities. Case studies prove real results. Educational posts establish authority. Comparisons show your understanding of tools and approaches. Direct outreach is also important. However, it must be done correctly. Generic messages do not work. You must personalize your approach. Start by showing that you understand the client or choose situation. Then present a relevant example of what you have done. Highlight a specific result. Finally, offer a simple next step, such as a short call. This approach increases response rates significantly. Choosing the right niche also improves success. Some industries have a higher demand for automation. These include legal services, real estate, e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and agencies. Each of these industries has repetitive processes that can be automated. Targeting these areas increases your chances of success. Lead generation should be systematic. Use professional networks to identify decision makers. Explore directories to find businesses in your target niche. Look for companies that rely heavily on manual processes. These are your ideal prospects. Referrals are one of the most powerful growth channels. Once you deliver results for one client, ask for introductions. Satisfied clients are often willing to refer others. This creates a compounding effect where each project leads to new opportunities. When you engage with a potential client, structure your conversation. First, understand their current challenges. Then explain what is possible using automation. Finally, define clear next steps. This approach builds trust and moves the conversation forward. The most important factor is positioning. If you present yourself as a general developer, you compete on price. If you position yourself as an AI automation specialist who delivers measurable results, you can charge significantly higher. Your skills remain the same, but your positioning determines your value. The goal is to move from selling services to solving business problems. That is what attracts clients and builds long-term opportunities. In the next lecture, you will learn how to price your services and maximize your earnings. See you in the next lecture.